Okay, here is the next project. I want you to, in the food section here, under expense, type total. So I'm going to total. Click on the bottom cell, so B6, B6. Click the auto sum in the home tab. So I'm in the home tab. Let me blow this up a little bit. I'm going to click here. Oh, where is it? Auto sum. Enter. So there it is. Wow, I just put it here and it notices these numbers. So let's see. So look at this. I have a question for you. What does auto sum do? Okay, what does auto sum do? So let me demonstrate this again, and I want you to answer the question. So let me undo. So look, I click over here. Let me blow this up, and then I have auto sum. So I click on this little E looking thing, and ta-da! It tells me, asks me, you want to do this? And I click enter. Yes, and I have auto sum. So what does auto sum do? I want you to answer that question and then start the video again. Now, all of the data I'm entering into my spreadsheet is for expenses or money. So I can change the format of the cells to currency. Currency is another word for money. So I'm going to go over here. So this is all money. So I'm going to blow this up. I'm going to highlight it. And it's so general. And where is it? Here is currency. So I click that. Look, it changed it into dollars. So let me try that with the bills too. So I'm going to highlight these. Then I'm going to click general. I'm going to click currency. And boom, it changed, put the dollar sign and a decimal point. So changing the format of the cells to currency is helpful because it makes it clear the data is about money. So when you see the dollar sign and the decimal points, you know we're not talking about 6 bananas here. It means 5 bananas. We mean bananas. So oops, 2 bananas. Bananas are $2. It makes it very clear. It makes it easier to work with if you're using decimals too. Okay. All right, I have a final question for you, or maybe not a final. I want to sum up all of the expenses in the bills column. What should I do? So I want to sum these up. Uh-oh, I have to do this first. I have to fix this because I have a question for you. Okay. So I want to sum up all these bills. So what should I do? Try it, and then if you can't do it, then start the video again. And the answer is, of course, click the bottom cell in column D6. Look, D and 6, D, and then you see the D6 here to make sure. Then click auto sum. Let me blow this up and click auto sum. And yes, looks good enough to me. Enter. $850. Okay, so that's how I sum up all of the expenses in the bills column. Uh-oh, it still has the dollar sign. That's my mistake. Let me fix that. Let me take it back to general because you shouldn't know this answer yet. So now I want to change the format of the data to currency. What should I click? Pause for a minute to answer this question. Okay, you should click the currency sign. You can do it individually. Let me blow this up and go to currency. Oops. Or you can highlight them. 2 of them. Let's do 2 of them and go to currency. And then let's do the last one. Go to currency. Okay, I would like you to enter these expenses into your spreadsheet, and when you're done, please pause and enter this into the spreadsheet, and when you're done, click play again. Finally, I would like you to pause this if we run out of time, merge and center the settings, freeze the top row, use AutoSum to add up the cost, and change the format to currency. And I have a paper copy of this if you like. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and please ask me if you need any help.